Greetings everyone and welcome to a video review that is part of Banggood's November sales for 11/11 and Black Friday, which means a lot of products are heavily discounted. And you know I love my bargains, and the fact that I'm a bit of a cheapo, but anywho. Banggood has chosen 4 products for me to review, each of them being completely different, so I will try my absolute best with reviewing each product. I'm not being paid to say anything about these items, all opinions are my own, and with what I'm receiving, I'm pretty sure it will all be positive. The Banggood promotional events are linked in the description below, and just a full disclaimer, the links to purchase any of these items are affiliate links, and I will earn a small percentage of commission if you do use that link to purchase. You are not obliged to. It's just there for your convenience. Also attached down in the description is a coupon sheet, so if you want to browse through that and get some dealios while the sale is on, feel free. Everyone deserves something nice once in a while, especially with everything going on in the world at the moment. Big thank you to Banggood for providing me with these samples for review. I really do appreciate it, and with all that being said, let's get on to the review. So in today's one, we're going to be having a look at the Xiaomi 55W vertical air-cooled wireless charging stand. And this is currently $42 US on Banggood because of the 11/11 sale, and it will also be on sale again on Black Friday as well. The regular retail price is $70 US. But it's currently $42 US. And I know a lot of people might go, well, that's a bit expensive for a wireless charging stand, and that may be correct. It does seem a little pricey, but if it's got actual air cooling in it to keep your phone cool, that may seem like a gimmick, and you all know that I love gimmicks. But this is Xiaomi. They make a lot of things. They make a lot of great products, so I'm glad to be having a look at something else from them. While it's not as exciting as all the other products I look at, it's something different to just throw around on the channel. I get the opportunity to look at something brand new, and this is what this is. But the listing says that it has a built-in silent cooling fan, so it has an air duct as well for active heat dissipation to ensure that the phone does not heat up during the whole process. Because I don't have a Xiaomi device that supports 55W fast charging, I'm going to be trying devices that are like 15 watts fast charging and 20 watt fast charging. That's the best I have at the moment, but I think you'll get the idea of what it does. It has over voltage protection, over current protection, over temperature protection, under voltage protection, foreign body detection, not sure what that is, but okay, and electrostatic protection. Without further ado, let's crack this open and see what it looks like. Now, I thought the stand would have been a little bit bigger, but it seems to be fairly compact, which actually might be good. The fan's probably only going to be a really tiny one, but we'll have to investigate. This was sent to me via DHL, which only took a couple of days, which is good. Crack it open. It's in Chinese. I can't write. Oh, the top's already open. So a lot of it's in Chinese, but that's okay. I can read Xiaomi Communications, designed by Xiaomi, with the My logo and ooh, texture. Around the side it says 55 watts and Chinese writing. I don't know what it says, but it's okay. And then on the back it says 5 volt to 20 volt at 3.25 amps max, 55 watt maximum. Looks like it was made in 2018 by the date there, but I'm not too sure. And that's pretty much it, but a very simplistic, nice gold box, you know, so yeah, I don't know what's happened here. Maybe that's been opened? I'm not too sure. There's something here that tells me 10. I don't understand. Does this have something in it? So it's a rubber piece to obviously go on the bottom of it. Designed for my turbocharge. Okay, not too sure. We'll see what happens. So I've got the unit itself just like so. I've got some instructions, and that is it. The instructions are gonna be in Chinese, I would assume. Yes, but I can follow the pictures and put that there and put that there, so then that doesn't fall there. Okay. I thought it would have come with the charging brick, but no, I was mistaken. This is going to be fairly simplistic. It's going to be more of a having a look at it, seeing if we can see the fan actually. I want to see the fan, but it just takes a normal USB-C. The base is all plastic. It's all plastic, unfortunately. This is textured, which is good, and it does have 4 rubber feet at the bottom. Xiaomi logo just there, QR code, and showing the 55 watt max. So if I was to do that, oh, okay, so it goes like that. Okay, if your phone can't reach the top here, then they give you this, so then it will reach the top. That makes sense. Alright, so plugging that in. So if we look inside of there, there's actually a very, very thin fan that's just inside of there. A very, very thin profiled one. And now if I put an iPhone 8 on there. Yep, that works fine. Now, if I was to also put this on there, give it that little, you know, bit of a stand, There you go. Let's try Oppo Reno 5G. Oh wait, does this have wireless charging? I can't remember. I don't think it does. Pixel 3. Yep. But the one I want to use it for mainly is my Z Flip. So I am at 99% on this, but if I was to just go like that... Okay, so it doesn't do it. So we have to then put this on there. Oh, it doesn't charge my Z Flip. Okay, if I have it up there, it will charge on its like on that little lip there, but I'm not sure if it's supposed to sit there like that. It works. The fan's not on at the moment, but it does turn on though. What I'd probably have to do is let it charge a device for a long amount of time, and then when it starts to get hot, that fan will kick in. Sad that it doesn't work with my Flip properly, sort of thing. I could stand it up like that or have some sort of like ghetto rig there, but like, I mean, it's not gonna go anywhere. Oh yes, it will. Yeah, it kind of, if you do move this, it will go somewhere, whereas if it's sitting there, it's not gonna go anywhere. But no, it just doesn't quite reach. Just needs to be up ever so slightly. And there's like a little bit of adhesive there as well, so then you can stick it down and it's not gonna go anywhere. I can see the practicality in this, and it's quite reasonable. Realistically, it is made for mostly Xiaomi devices, but I tried my Flip, and it doesn't fit. It's okay. That was really what I intended to do with it, is to use it for my Flip, was just to have this next to me, and just chuck it on there, and let it charge. But unfortunately, I can't do that. And obviously, once you connect to the device, it will fast charge, depending on your phone's capability. Like my Flip is at 20 watts, I think, or 15 watts. I'm not too sure, but this will do the job. So while it's very hard to see, there is a little tiny green LED just there. There it is. You can barely see it, but it's there. Is it something that I would buy for myself? Probably not, because I'm not a person that's big into wireless chargers. I prefer the cable charge, it's just much easier for me. Wireless charging's fine, and like it'd be good to just sit it down and just leave it, sort of thing. Since I have the Flip, it kind of is impractical to use it on here. It's fine though, it's still good. But I want to have a look at this air cooling. Everyone knows I like teardowns, so I'm going to go ahead and just take it apart. We'll have a look and see what's inside of it, because I want to see how big the fan is in it, see the PCB and all that sort of thing in this. Okay, it's taking the 4 rubber feet off, reveals 4 Phillips head screws, so I'll go ahead and take these off. So yeah, I did a similar review a while ago, a long time ago, on the Pitaka air tray organizer, and that was pretty cool. It was expensive, but it was pretty cool though. And taking that, wow, okay. That's a lot more circuitry than I had imagined, because Xiaomi is legit. I'm so used to Welcome devices with cheap internals. Wow, there's actually a metal bracket there for the support, which is quite amazing. But yeah, the PCB is there, the USB-C is there, the little fan connection is just there, and I'd say this would connect the top to the bottom. Okay, so I may not be able to get to the actual fan itself because the flex ribbon for the wireless charger is soldered directly just here, and this tape holds down that cable, as well as this LED piece, this piece of plastic that is for an LED for it to charge. I've sat here for a while and tried to take it apart, and it doesn't seem like it wants to. There is probably a way to do it, but I would have to desolder these in order to remove the top part further away so then I could get to the internal cooling fan. But it seems to be probably a 40mm one just in there, and it's very, very difficult to see. But there are fan blades just in there. Well, that's sad. I can't tear it down any further, but that's okay. I think everyone gets the general idea of what's going on. I don't think there's any heat sinks or anything in there. It's just a cooling fan that'll just obviously spin around when the circuit board starts to get a little bit hot. So the way the cooling works is the fan starts running inside of there, it sucks cool air in from there, then blows it up towards the top of the charging tower where the wireless charger is, where the top of your phone will be. So cool air in, cool air up, and that's it. And then it dissipates at the top. Makes sense. So it's a pretty simple design, but effective. As to how effective it will be in the long run, I'm not too sure, but I can test it off camera and let you all know during editing to let you know if the fan does kick in. But when you plug it in, it does kick in. Just plug it in to make sure I didn't kill it. But yep, it all still works, so that is all good. Honestly, there's not much else I can really talk about with a Xiaomi wireless charger. it works, it does the job. If I had a Xiaomi device that supported 55 watt fast charging, I could do a test and tell you how long it takes, but as I said, unfortunately, I can't do that at the moment. But as I've said, it's always good to look at different products on this channel. We've had some really random ones on here, and this is just part of a Banggood event that's going on in November. So this is just one of the items for the 11/11 event, and as well as the Black Friday event. All the links are going to be in the description as well. The link to purchase this will be an affiliate link, so I'll just let you all know now. It is an affiliate link, so if you do click it and do purchase, I will receive a small percentage of commission. But you do not have to click it. You are not obliged to click it. It is just there if you want to. It's up to you. You can check it out, see if it's for you. But look, otherwise, as I said, wireless charging is not quite for me. It's a Xiaomi product. It looks pretty cool. I just wish it worked with my Z Flip without having to do a ghetto mod and, you know, build some sort of extra thing here. And the cooling fan's a little nice addition. But anyways, everyone, let me know what you thought of this product and if I've done it justice with the review. There's not a lot to cover, honestly. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I know it didn't go for that long, but I tried my best to let you all know what's going on. And big thank you to Banggood for organising this whole event for me. I really do appreciate it. And as always, everyone, be good people, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. It's a 7-11, or it's an L, or it's a skate ramp. If you like this content, feel free to leave a like or a dislike if you didn't. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.